COMELEC po nag-create ng Committee on Kontrabigay para ho i-address po ang issues on both buying and both selling, including the abuse of state resources. So this is a nationwide approach natin na multi-agency po ang involved dito sa kontrabigay. So hindi na lang po ito COMELEC. We are now coordinating and collaborating with so many agencies and government para ho bigyang ipin po ang aming campaign against both buying, both selling, and now yung bago, abuse of state resources para ho gamitin ng mga politiko para sila'y manalo. Bawal na gamitin nila ang mga sasakyan, facilities, infrastructure, and kahit anong media ng commission ng government during campaign period.
What about the ayuda na ini-implement ng mga national government agencies wherein parating nandiyan ang presence ng mga politicians?
Yung pong distribution ng social welfare benefits like AIX, AKAP, TUPAD, ano pa yung isa? Parang walang gutom program and all other social services. During campaign period po, bawal na po ang mga politiko na kumakandidato o nagsusuporta ng isang kandidato during the distribution or delivery nitong mga services na to. Including din po yung kanilang mga kamag-anak within the second degree of consanguinity or affinity. And during the distribution of this ayuda, kung gagawin po ito sa isang lugar, bawal din po na makita yung kanilang mga tarpaulins, yung kanilang mga pictures visibly displayed during the distribution. At ito pong mga packages na to, dapat wala po ditong kahit anumang campaign materials, even picture po ng politiko.